With the world changing so much, not changing the way we work is a big risk. Fujitsu is a company that has been in business for about 90 years, with 124,000 employees and annual revenue of approximately 3.7 trillion yen. We work to make the world a more sustainable place through innovation, solving societal and corporate problems, using software, hardware, and technology.
In order to support our customers' digital transformation, Fujitsu itself must evolve.
Over the past 20 to 30 years, we've not been able to grow in tandem with global growth. This is a very critical issue for Fujitsu competing in the technology industry.
Until now, we've managed our organization by region. When trying to oversee it globally, it takes a lot of energy just to know who's doing what. And too much time and money is spent on management.
When you have an organization this big, working towards a single goal is very difficult, and that is what I think is a challenge.
Rather than trying harder to solve these challenges using the same methods as before, it is important to approach them in a new way. I think that utilizing Asana is the basis for that.
It's a priority to not think only from a Japan-centric perspective. We place great importance on global capabilities and productivity improvement.
By utilizing Asana, the ideas and the improvements that tend to be kept within each department can be visualized and shared.
Work for the sake of work has improved, and it's now clear at a glance what needs to be done today and when it will be completed, which has contributed to shortening the work time.
In terms of increasing productivity, I think one of the biggest factors is that each member has clarity on what work directly contributes to business goals.
By implementing Asana, I think that the very way of structuring and progressing work across organizations, locations, and time differences becomes the DNA of the organization in a broad sense. I would like to see all 124,000 employees using Asana to their full potential to increase the value we provide our customers.